Hello rail fans, and welcome to French Fried Trains. I'm busy today and have some appointments, so I needed something quick and easy for today's video. So today we're going to be building this John Deere skid steer loader, which is a smaller loader, and this one is on tracks instead of wheels. So this is what it looks like. Now let's get right into the build. So we're going to take out Blackstone brick stairs, put 2 inward facing stairs, then 2 facing forward and 2 inward this way. 2 Blackstone brick slabs in the middle. Then on each back corner put a polished deep slate wall. Then above that a forward facing Blackstone brick stair on either side. Come behind this in the middle, and we're going to go 2 wide and 4 long with yellow concrete in the center. Then on the front of the yellow concrete put an upside down forward facing deep slate tile stair on either side. Then 2 right side up outward facing deep slate tile stairs on either side. At the back, an upside down backward facing stair on each side, and then a right side up stair on each back corner like this. Then we're going to come on here, put a deep slate tile slab on the top of each of these stairs, then move down a hitbox and 1 slab here, and 1 slab here. Then come on this top middle on the front yellow concrete, put 2 forward facing bamboo stairs, and then a 2x3 of yellow concrete behind it. Then come on the front of the yellow concrete up here, do a 2x2 of tinted glass and make it 2 blocks tall, and a 2x2 of Blackstone brick slabs on the top like this. Back here, put 2 yellow concrete in the middle. Then we're going to come on the back bottom on the middle 2 and put 2 bamboo slabs on the upper hitbox. Then 2 blast furnaces, and 2 upside down polished deep slate stairs above that. Then on the side of the blast furnace, an upside down backward facing bamboo stair here, and 1 here. Put a yellow concrete above the stair on each side here and here. Then a right side up backwards bamboo stair here, and 2 Blackstone brick slabs in the middle. Then up here put a polished deep slate wall on the right glass block, and above it another brick fence, then a trap door here. Then come in front of this on top and put 2 skeleton skulls up here. Then we're going to take out Blackstone brick stairs right here, and we need 2 upside down stairs in a column like this. And then of course repeat on this side, 2 upside down stairs in a column here. Then on the top stair put a right side up Blackstone brick stair on the front of it, facing forward. Same thing on this side, a forward facing stair here, then a Blackstone brick slab right here, 1 on this side, then on the back of these stairs down here, an upside down backward facing stair on either side. Then take out a dark oak sign, and we're going to put 1 on the side right here, and we're just going to type John Deere. And then we will hit that with white dye and a glow ink sac. Do the same thing on the other side. Come over here, put a dark oak sign here, type John Deere, and hit it with white dye and a glowing sac. Then come underneath here, and we're going to put 2 sideways lightning rods right here, and we'll do the same thing on this side, 2 sideways lightning rods right here. Then come on the back, put a Blackstone button here, 1 on this side, and then a mangrove button on the yellow concrete here and here. Then we're going to come up front with a dark oak fence gate, and we're going to put 1 in this gap here, and then same thing on this side, 1 in this gap here. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our little John Deere skid steer tracked loader. A nice, quick, and easy tutorial for today. I hope everyone enjoyed this little build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone, have a great week. Stay safe out there.